Welcome back to another video. This is Rabon Smejan for Self-Taught Polyglot. This video I want to teach you some basic expressions, basic stuff that you need, that I see a lot of people make mistakes whenever they're using English and French. Donc, welcome, bienvenue, c'est Self-Taught Polyglot. Deuxième, voilà, c'est dans la chaîne là. Des expressions, des mots, des termes qu'on utilise en anglais. Généralement, lorsque je vois les Haïtiens, des gens qui sont des francophones d'ailleurs, lorsqu'ils utilisent ces expressions-là, ils font souvent des erreurs. Donc, ces expressions-là, c'est monsieur, madame, monsieur, madame, etc., mademoiselle, etc. En anglais, what do you say? For personal titles in English, personal titles, not titles, has to do with academic studies like professor, doctor, doctor, no? I'm talking about personal titles. Titles that you give to people that you don't know normally. Like in English, you say for someone who's a male and is kind of, I would say, mature, okay, quelqu'un qui est mature en anglais, un garçon ou un homme, on dit Mr. How do you spell Mr.? Mr. is spelled M-R point. Okay, not in French, M-R. In English, there's a point. Mrs. M-R-S point, which is a married woman. Basically, traditionally, they say that Mrs. is used when somebody is married, Mr. is when somebody is married, but normally they don't use it that way. Whenever you're talking to someone you don't know, you suppose that the person is married. So use the expression Mr. for men, mature men, and Mrs. for matured women. And after that, you have Miss for a single woman, M-I-S-S, Miss. And then lastly, you have Ms, a single or a married woman. Whenever you don't know the status, the marital status of that person, use Ms, M-I-S point. Ms, M-I-S, M-S point. Okay? M-S point. So this is a little class for now. I hope that you find it very useful. You can also give a like and comment whatever you want to me to discuss in the YouTube channel, and I can do that. And also I want you to ask questions and clarifications, illustrations, so that I can add more content to the YouTube channel. Okay? So I hope you have a wonderful time and see you next time. Bye bye.